Photocentric's quest for innovation has underpinned every aspect of our business's development. The early production of polymer and 2D stamps provided us with a solid platform to expand into the 3D printing market, with the ambitious goal of developing a technology that would allow for mass manufacture. Our priority was to become experts in every aspect of production, employing a cohort of chemists, engineers, software developers, and technicians. After years of dedicated research and development, 2016 saw us revolutionize the 3D printing market with the launch of the world's first LCD printer. Just 3 years later, our mass manufacturing vision became a reality with the release of our large format printer, the Magna. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated our development in the mass manufacturing of 3D parts, where we supplied millions of PPE items to the NHS using our ever-expanding farm of printers.